What are the pros or cons to adding a pony wall between the toilet and the shower? A definite pro is privacy, so that someone can be in the shower and somebody else can be on the toilet at the same time and you don't have to see it all. I had a client who wanted to add a pony wall into their previously remodeled shower because he had young daughters who would walk into the bathroom during his showers and he felt like he was in a prison shower without the privacy barrier. Another pro is that it allows you to add shampoo niches to the interior of the wall so that it keeps all your products readily available but out of sight. Another pro is that it is less glass, so it's less expensive, but at the same time you're building a pony wall and tiling it, so it's not a significant savings. The pony wall does provide a strong wall to attach grab bars to it if you need assistance entering and exiting the shower. It also provides a wall to install the toilet paper holder on it. This may or may not be a pro for you, but it may hide the splashes. That one took me out. A con is that it may make the space feel a little smaller or less open than full glass, but all the images you just saw were in small bathrooms and it works great. The pros definitely outweigh the cons. Follow for more home renovation tips.